Understanding cylinder replacement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a technical term that might sound complex at first but is quite simple once you break it down. Cylinder replacement. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about how things work, this video will help you understand what it means and where you might encounter it. Let's get started. Before we talk about cylinder replacement, it's essential to understand what a cylinder is. In the context of engines and mechanics, a cylinder is a fundamental part of a car's engine. It's a cylindrical chamber where fuel combustion occurs, powering the vehicle. Think of it as the heart of an engine, pumping life into the car with every beat. Engines can have multiple cylinders, and the number often influences the vehicle's power and performance. So, why would someone need to replace a cylinder? There are several reasons. Wear and tear. Over time, cylinders can wear out from constant use. Damage. Accidents or poor maintenance can damage cylinders. Performance upgrades. Replacing cylinders might be part of enhancing a car's performance. Replacing a cylinder is about ensuring the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's a critical repair that can extend a vehicle's life and improve its operation. Cylinder replacement is a detailed process that involves several steps. 1. Diagnosing the problem, confirming that the cylinder is the issue. 2. Removing the engine parts. Gaining access to the cylinder requires dismantling parts of the engine. 3. Replacing the cylinder. The old cylinder is removed, and a new one is installed. 4. Reassembly and testing. After replacement, the engine is reassembled, and the vehicle is tested to ensure everything runs correctly. This process requires expertise and precision, highlighting the importance of professional mechanics in such a task. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of cylinder replacement and its relevance in the automotive world. Whether you're studying English, passionate about cars, or both, understanding these technical terms can enrich your knowledge and skills. Remember, every term you learn opens up a new aspect of the language and the world it describes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.